Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of October, 2024, our system has classified Apple as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.75. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of nearly 1%. This equates to an average return of approximately 1/3 of 1% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 7.04% in the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between 1.54% and 9%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a possible change of around 30.66% over the next year, with expected returns between 8.8% and 32.98%. This translates to a price range of $254.23 to $310.73 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple stock price up 0.116% on Tuesday. The Apple stock price gained 0.116% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, rising from $233.40 to $233.67. It has now experienced gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 0.86%, with a low of $232.32 and a high of $234.32. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, but remains down by 0.08% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares, totaling 31 million shares traded for approximately $7,190 million. It is important to consider that declining volume amid rising prices may signal divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the days ahead. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $237.49, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 1.61%, or $3.82, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. is poised for a significant earnings report as it navigates a complex landscape of challenges and opportunities. Recent analysis suggests that while iPhone sales in China are rebounding, which could lead to Apple's largest revenue increase in 2 years, the company still faces headwinds from fluctuations in the Chinese market and general economic conditions. In the short term, this combination of factors can create volatility in AAPL's stock price. Moreover, Apple has introduced a redesigned Mac Mini for the first time in 15 years, featuring compact dimensions and new M4 chips that significantly enhance performance. This innovation not only addresses consumer demand for more powerful computing devices, but also symbolizes Apple's continuous commitment to integrating advanced technology into its products. This product news can positively impact investor sentiment and potentially improve sales figures in the long term. While the upcoming quarterly earnings report may reflect strong services growth, investor reaction could hinge on the performance of iPhone sales against the backdrop of a challenging market. Apple's notable cash reserves and strategic pricing power serve as buffers against potential downturns, maintaining its reputation for stability and robust earnings. Ultimately, positive developments such as increased iPhone demand and innovative product launches may provide a foundation for steady growth, bolstering AAPL's stock in both the immediate and extended future. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned Apple a rating of underweight with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Piper Sandler assigned Apple a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, UBS reported a neutral rating for Apple, accompanied by a hold action. On that same Wednesday, Bernstein gave Apple an outperform rating along with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, Loop Capital Markets assigned Apple a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also falls under strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. On potential downward corrections, support is expected at $233.16 and $228.07. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices, creating a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning. The stock warrants close monitoring. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, October 21st, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 1.19%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. A golden star signal was recorded on Wednesday, September 18th, 2024 in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line intersect in a unique combination. This occurrence is quite rare and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 29 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 125 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 113 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $228.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $2 between its high and low, representing a change of 0.86%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.54%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.55. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $233.85. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $228.20. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Condo Chris, who bought and sold 17,989 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.148. Overall, insiders purchased 2,071,734 shares and sold 3,595,722 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $225.13, reflecting a decline of 3.65%. This stock exhibits very low daily movements, which translates to a minimal risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that this might be an opportune moment to consider purchasing, as there is a reasonable possibility for Apple stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of October, we anticipate that Apple will open down 233 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $233.44. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.